Every major wave of innovation has reshaped how businesses operate. Steam powered the first factories, electricity scaled them, computers digitized them. Then came ERPs. Powerful, yes, but built for a slower top-down world. Fast forward to today, companies are buried under dozens of disconnected tools. CRM in one tab, inventory in another. Data is everywhere, but insight is nowhere. Execution is often reactive, and now we stand at a critical turning point. AI has the potential to transform software from passive systems of record into intelligent systems of action. Not just storing information, but guiding decisions, surfacing what matters, and driving action in real time. But here's the catch. Legacy systems can't keep up. They were built for a different era. We need a new foundation that's fast, flexible, and AI native. A system that doesn't just record what happened, but helps you decide what to do next. That's where Digit comes in. My journey started just outside Troy, Ohio. In 1974, a pack of juicy fruit gum was scanned at a local supermarket and became the first product ever scanned with a barcode. That little beep kicked off a revolution in visibility. 50 years later, I find myself walking into billion-dollar warehouses still run on clipboards and spreadsheets, not fully utilizing the technology invented decades before. I spent 7 years consulting where I worked with more than 80 companies across manufacturing, distribution, and services. From boardrooms to loading docks to the shop floor, I saw the same pattern everywhere. Alignment was off, execution was messy, and systems were brittle. Progress was slow. I realized they were dealing with the same problems and designed a system to help them win. Then I stepped into the operator seat as CEO of a manufacturing company. From the outside, the business was solid. Great brand, good products, talented people. But on the inside, I saw what I experienced at every other company. They were dealing with what I call the whirlwind, trying to manage late orders, incorrect inventory counts, reactive procurement, and more. I realized that we didn't need another dashboard, we needed a real operating system. So we built one. A framework that showed what mattered, kept us aligned, and held us accountable. And it worked. In 18 months, we grew revenue 5x and hit record levels of profitability. That was the aha moment. Companies don't just need better tools, they need a better operating system. Digit was born from that insight. Legacy ERPs track the past. Niche apps solve pieces of the problem, and neither gives you a clear map over your entire business or how work should get done. Digit changes that. We're building what we call the system of progress, a modern operating system that will be made up of dozens of core business capabilities across sales, operations, finance, HR, and more. Each one is managed on one platform and measured as red, yellow, or green. Digit makes that visible and, more importantly, actionable. For SMBs, this means fewer fire drills, faster fulfillment, more cash to reinvest in growth, and much more. For mid-market distributors, that means portals, planning, AI workflows, without having to spend $15K on an external consultant to update a legacy report. To start, we're focused on being the AI-native operating system for physical manufacturing and distribution businesses, unifying sales, inventory, procurement, production, planning, and fulfillment into one system for real-time execution. This is a massive market. Billions are spent every single year on ERP, CRM, HRIS, and other software. For decades, switching costs kept incumbents safe. But AI is breaking those moats. Legacy contracts are expiring, C-suites are mandating AI adoption, and for the first time in decades, the market is wide open. Smaller, focused teams are now developing bigger, better, and more modern solutions to replace these legacy systems. They're doing it faster, more efficiently, and with a level of usability and intelligence that the incumbents simply can't match. Every industrial revolution has moved business forward. Steam, electricity, automation, and now AI. But while hardware has advanced, most companies are still running on software built for the last era. Digit isn't just a prettier ERP. It's the operating system for physical businesses based in this new future. Fast, intuitive, collaborative, and built for the AI age. Something useful on day one and powerful enough to grow with you as you scale. Most importantly, a system that makes your progress visible. To the people who build, ship, sell, and serve, we see you. We've been in your seat. You're not just running a business, you're chasing excellence. Digit exists to match your ambition with momentum and progress, to give you proactive insights, time back, and leverage at scale. Because the future doesn't run on spreadsheets, it doesn't run on disconnected dashboards or legacy systems. It runs on Digit, the system for what's next.